We are back on The Voice. The moment has come for one of these incredible artists, Lauren and Chris. One of their lives is about to change forever. The moment we've all been waiting for. And by the way, one of the closest voting results between our top two finalists that we have ever seen on this show occurred with these two. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, here we go.
Yes.
Chris.
Chris. Come on, Chris. You got this, man. Come on, Chris.
Smile, Chris.
The winner of The Voice is...
Chris. Come on, Chris.
He's so scared.
Chris Boo!
Woo! Woo!
I'm telling you.
Woohoo! Yeah, Chris! Woohoo!
The very last artist to be chosen is #1.
Woohoo!
Get up, Chris! Chris! He's praising the Lord. He's up there thanking him. Look, you see him raise his hands?
Yeah.
Thanking the Lord.
Woohoo! Yay, Chris! He won, Mom!
I'm telling you.
I know!
And the thing was, did you hear him say that of all the voices, he and Lauren were the closest?
Yeah, I know. Woohoo! I'm very proud of you, Chris. You are the voice, man.
Yes.
You.
And a godly man on top of that.
Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo!
And Lauren is just very sweet and loving to him.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes. Mm-hmm.
On an all-new Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, Barry Manilow drops by. NBC Tonight.
Yay, Chris Boo! You are the voice! Woohoo!
So proud of him.
Yes.